Today, we will review the Shiatsu neck and shoulder muscle massager. So for the better half of my day, I sit at a desk, and as a result, my neck and shoulder muscles become tense and tight. So this massager helps relax them. So when I got this product, in the box came the massager itself, the portable carrying bag, charger. There is also a car charger, but I don't know where that is, and I've never used it in a car. So we're going to take a look at how this massager works. First of all, you can charge this massager up and take it anywhere and use it. Or if you run out of battery, you can use it also while it's charging. So it's charged up for the most part. And on your right-hand side, you have your power button. Go ahead and press that. And as you notice, the massager automatically starts up. Okay. So the second button here, you press it and it controls the direction of the massage balls. So you can go clockwise or counterclockwise. The next button is the intensity or the speed button. You can either go slow or you can either go faster, whatever your preference. The next button here is the heat button. You can massage without the heat or you can massage with the heat. Now the heat is not going to come right away. It does take a moment to heat up. Simply to turn it off, push the power button again. You notice everything stops and the red light goes away. We also have your charging cord here, and you simply plug up the charger and plug it in here. And I don't know if you can see it, but you can see a blinking red light here. This is indicating that the massager is charging. And when it's done charging, it'll turn a steady red. You notice on the back side, you have a curved area, then you have a concave area. The concave area goes where like the hump of your neck is. And there are actually little cutouts here where you can hold the massager in place or adjust it as you need it. So you simply turn it on and you adjust how you want your massage to be while you have it on. And that is the Shiatsu neck and shoulder massager.